Welcome to the Overlander. The INEOS Grenadier workshop manual is almost here. I managed to get early access to this long-awaited tool for Grenadier owners. If you want to know how I did this, there's an article in the Overlander. Click the link below to read it. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works. This is the screen that you'll see when you first log into the manual. You'll see we've got the workshop manual down here, and up here we've got the parts catalogue. I'm going to go into the parts catalogue and show you that first. Let's imagine that we've had an accident and we need to get a new bumper or parts of the bumper. So we'll go to body, front end, front bumper plastic. Have a look at that. So as you can see, once we get into that, you can see the front bumper assembly here. As you scroll over each part, the corresponding part number on the right hand side lights up, and there's quite a lot of parts in this, so you can also rotate it, spin it around to see some of the parts on the inside, and whichever one you highlight will light up. If you double click it, you get a zoomed in view, and then you can pick out individual parts like these screws here. It's pretty easy to use, and if you did have a bit of an accident, you were trying to buy parts, it's pretty easy to find all the different bits that you might need. Now let's take a look at the manual. Electrical, let's say we smashed a headlight in that accident. Lights and indicators. Headlamp left, remove for access and install. Let's have a look at that. So that opens up this page here where you can see the headlamp assembly, and there's a play button down here, and the instructions are over here on the right hand side. If we press play, it should guide us through the instructions one by one. So remove 5 bolts to detach the headlamp. There's the bolts coming out. Move the headlamp away, disconnect the plug, disconnect the other plug, and reinstall. Screw it back on. It's a pretty good system, this. It's pretty idiot proof, and if you, for example, there's another part of the process that you need to do to get to the headlamp, which is down here, you just click that and it should take you through to the procedure to remove that part. There we go. So I'll press play on that one. You get the idea. Overall, I think this manual is an excellent resource. I think it's going to be super useful and kind of essential really if you want to work on your own vehicle, especially one as complicated as this. It's not going to be available to everybody, only to Grenadier owners. You will have to supply your email address and your VIN number to get a login to get access to the system. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Overall, I think it's very good.